Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate DM Automation SOP. In this SOP, you're going to learn more about ManyChat, also Instagram automation, and when it comes to DMing people in an automated fashion, you're going to get entire setup and also walkthrough in the PDF format in SOP and with videos examples so that you can launch your campaigns, you can give out your PDF in an automated fashion, grow your audience, and on top of that, get leads and also get sales. Okay, so let me walk you through the process. First of all, you're gonna get the quick guide. As in the guide, you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna open it up so you guys can get an idea. Here we talk about basically the how strategy and the system. Okay, so in the learning phase, you're gonna learn the entire strategy and the system, how it works, and everything that's involved. When it comes to the planning, it's gonna be more on the assets, setup, and testing. Assets more on the offer, leads, and messaging because you need something to give away. Otherwise, you're not able to attract people to you. Also, the setup, you're gonna need something has to do with automation because if you get volume of people commenting, wanting your PDF, etc., you want to do it in an automated fashion, meaning even if you're sleeping or you're not behind the PC, you're still able to deliver whatever they're asking for. And you want to test. So you can test this out organically, but also you can test it on with paid advertising. And I will show you and explain to you a bit more about it. When it comes to the action steps, it's very self-explanatory because I have them laid down. But there's only basically 3 things you want to do. With this, you want to choose your best organic post, and I will give you an example of those posts as well. Second, you want to optimize your profile so that people come to your profile from there, they can become a lead and or a follower. And then you want to test out with at least 10 bucks, and I will maybe add to it maybe between 75 to 100. If you want to test it out, you can do it with 10 bucks, 20 bucks for like 1 or 2 days. If you want to drive a real campaign where you generate a more audience, but also followers and leads and sales, you want to aim for at least 75 to $100. Okay, so I'm gonna just break it down for you in a bit. Requirements are gonna be the following. So you're gonna need 1 to 2 hours to set this entire thing up. The tools is ManyChat, Instagram, Canva, and or Beehive. Okay, so these are optional. And then as an asset, you can get yourself the priority pass master resale rights and or the private label rights so that you can acquire more lead magnets of which you can promote. And I will be adding an image over here as well for you guys, just so you have an idea what exactly are you getting when it comes to talking about lead magnets. Because I know many of you guys, you want to grow your audience, you want to generate leads, and you want to sell something, but you don't have anything to give out to attract people to you. So within the Priority Pass course, we do give away these things for free, and you have a whole archive of more than 30 of them so that you can pick and choose, you can custom brand it to your branding, and or you can use it as is by simply adding your link to it, okay? But that will be explained later on, okay? So learning phase, you have basically 11 steps, of which, as you can see here, step 7 and 9 are optional. So the first one here, we talk about, as you can see, the image. I'm not going to explain the entire steps to you because, again, it's broken down within this lead magnet, but you're going to see everything is there for you step by step. If you have notes, etc., you can add those at the bottom, just in case if you are missing something, you are, reminder of something. But as you can see here, you even have a coupon code you can use. You also can invite members within the system that you built, so it gives you a clear step-by-step process. And from there, again, it gives you optional if you want to connect your Facebook or you want to use your Instagram only. Now, keep in mind, these videos are there for you to watch in order for you to understand a bit more on how to set this up and why you should do it that way, okay? But if you want to do it by yourself because you already know ManyChat, etc., you can also do that. And of course, I walk you through the videos, I give you explanation, and I also have screenshots for you so that you can know exactly what you need to do. There are 2 important, I would say, modules over here, okay, over this and also the troubleshooting, just in case if you see you're getting stuck. But once it comes to the planning of number 2, here's where you see you're going to get most of the assets, meaning instead of getting instructions, you're going to get the PDFs, you're going to get videos, you're going to get SOPs, walkthroughs. You're also getting an invitation to check out the Priority Pass course, and you get an exact, I would say, entire swipe of the system of Jenna Critcher, of which She made like $2 million with ManyChat, on which this, you can also see the entire flow for different campaigns that she did. And based on that, you can kind of copy and paste the things that she did within your own campaigns. Okay, now in her case, it's a bit more advanced, but I have videos to explain to you how to do it in a simple format and in more advanced format. Simple format meaning you have a free ManyChat account. Advanced format means that you have a pro account or an AI account when it comes to ManyChat. Now, in step number 3 is where we take action. So after we did all the setups over here at the beginning, after we created our lead magnet or acquired one of the lead magnet within the Priority Pass course, and or set up our profile, to be optimized to attract people, we then want to launch campaigns. So I have for here a doc with over 30 real examples of which you can copy, you can model, you can get the swipes for in order for you to create your own ads. And this is an example of one of them that I created to attract people to my own account and requesting my own PDF. Now keep in mind, as I said, you can launch this organically without people seeing it. Only your follower will see it, but you can also run ads to it. Okay, and I give you a short walkthrough within this process of how to set up the ads, what the ads looks like, etc. Okay, now keep in mind, again, within the Priority Pass, it gives you a bit more in-depth information how to do everything, how to build out everything when it comes to people signing up for your newsletter or for your landing page or for your funnel or for your lead magnet, and from there what happens. But that is explained inside the Priority Pass. Right now, what I'm sharing with you right now is only the ManyChat version. Okay, so this is the front end. And with this, I give you the automation setup. As you can see over here with this image, very simple, very clear. The video walks you everything. You have also a guide PDF to walk you through everything. And from there, you have the calendar at the bottom. So within this section where you have the calendar, what we can do, and I list it out for you as well. You have the calendar view. Okay, so this is basically looking at the month. You have the list view, so you're basically looking at each individual item depending on what type of video you're doing, what's the purpose of the video, what's the name of the video, etc. And then you have the status view. Status view is depending on where you have it in idea, in planning, in draft, or you posted the video already. Okay, so those are like the 4 phases you can have them in. Now, if you want to, I would say, add a work or a video campaign that you're gonna do at a certain date, you're just gonna choose the date. Let's choose, for example, over here where we wanna use it in a fashion of which we wanna create one of the campaigns. So let's say we choose a date. From here we open up the calendar. What you will see over here that it has a name. It has under the option of pillar what type of video it is. Then you have the DM, you have the status idea, aim of post, list of post, and also if the performance was great, it was average, like mediocre, or it was really bad. Okay, now for the video idea, you can write over here. You have the gap framework. Okay, so you can see what else that you guys are having, if it's for growth purpose, authority purpose, personal, etc. Aim of the video, what type it is. Okay, so you can also write these down, and the hooks. So for example, what type of hook that you use. Okay, you can use one of these templates and it gives you an example how it's laid out or explained as well. Okay, now this is again what you can have within this entire calendar, and this way of course you can track everything that you're doing, and it gives you a better idea of what you can do when it comes to scheduling your posts. So for example, let's say you're starting from scratch. It's gonna be like this. You're gonna add your image, your icon, whatever you want to add over here, as well your title. You can choose from here any of these options. As you can see, storytelling, challenge, jump ups, b-roll, how to, listicle, skits, etc. You can just Google them if you don't know them. You have growth posts, authority posts, personal posts, DM posts. You also have the statuses, as we said, like the 4 phases. Aim of the post. Probably some of you guys want to promote a lead magnet. You want to get YouTube views. You want to build a newsletter subscriber. You want to promote an event you're doing. You want to sell an offer, get bookings, calls, or webinar registration. Okay. When it comes to performance, you have these ones. When it comes to date, again, you can change the date, as I said, and then, of course, choose any of these and use whatever you guys have to use when it comes to filling it in. Okay, so as you can see, it's super simplified, super, normal, of which it's not very complicated. And based on this, of course, you are able to use the options, and then later on also get some results with it. Other than that, on the bottom you will have my YouTube, Instagram accounts, so you can be part of them and follow what I'm doing. But also you have the newsletter, which if you want to learn more, you can stay plugged in so that you can also get the updates I have. And from there, I also have the Nomad Priority Pass invitation. So this one is a basic invitation to help you set up your system and make some money within a 30-day span. But then again, it's totally up to you what you want to do and or how you want to proceed with that. Other than that, highly recommend you check out the entire process. If you have any question, I would highly recommend you hit me up on Instagram, where you will be able to chat with me and from there ask me any question you want. Other than that, within the Priority Pass, we also do one workshop per week. So within that workshop, you also have a Q&A session just in case you want to, you're stuck with something, you want my feedback, you want to know what I think about certain things or what you should do. But other than that, hope you get a lot of success launching your campaign with the ManyChat system. And with that, if anything, let me know how it goes for you inside the DMs of Instagram. Take care.